Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for always watching me. Thanks for being part of this channel. I really appreciate you all. If this channel is growing, it's because you have decided to subscribe and you have decided to watch the videos, and I really appreciate it. I want to take this opportunity to wish all of you a happy new year and a prosperous one. May God make 2023 a successful one for you. Okay, so today I have a good news for you. There are most of times people will comment, I'm a new person, I don't know what to do, I'm a beginner, please, what can I do, and all that. And so I have created a new channel for beginners. It doesn't mean that only beginners should subscribe. I mean, everybody can subscribe. We learn every day. Even if you know something, there is nothing wrong learning it again. Do you get it? Getting more knowledge is not wrong at all. And so I've created a new channel, and the name is Max Clothing for Beginners. Max Clothing for Beginners. And I want you to subscribe to that channel before I start posting those videos. Do you get it? And so go into the comment section of this video or go into the description box. I'll leave the link there. Then you subscribe. Now when you subscribe, one important thing is make sure you click on the notification bell, that is the bell icon, and then select all. Do you get it? Select all. Whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Because some people have subscribed to this very channel, but they have not clicked on the notification bell, they don't get notifications. And so sometimes I'll be there and someone will comment, I've subscribed and I've not seen anything. I don't know what is happening here. You are not posting videos. Meanwhile, I have about 190 something videos on this channel. Do you get it? And so please, if you are a new person, when you click on subscribe, you will see that there is a bell icon there. On that icon, click on it again. When you click on it, a list will come and then select what? All. Hope you get it. So with the beginners channel, we are going to do more of how to cut this as a beginner, how to sew this as a beginner, everything you need to know as a beginner in sewing. We are going to start it from the scratch and then build it small. Unlike Max Clothing channel here, where we also sew styles and other things, that channel is going to be more of lessons. Do you get it? And so subscribe to both and then let's learn together. This new channel, I want all of you, all my loved ones, all my subscribers on Max Clothing here, subscribe to this channel for beginners. I want to see you people subscribe before I will start posting videos. Do you get it? Before I'll start posting videos. And so please do what to subscribe and share for people who want to learn sewing, even if you don't know anything about sewing and you really have the desire. You are a worker. You don't have time to go and sit at a place and learn sewing. This is the time. Subscribe to Max Clothing for Beginners. I want to say thank you so much for subscribing to Max Clothing for Beginners and watching the videos. When you do, like the videos, comment, and once again, don't forget to click on the notification bell. Okay, thanks to you guys for giving me the opportunity to share my little knowledge with you all. God bless you. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.